Hello everyone, say hi to Akriti ma'am.
Hello everyone.
Today Akriti ma'am is going to share with you all a very beautiful puppet of a zebra. So let's start making it, but before that, let me tell you what all we need for it. We need a simple white A4 sheet paper, a piece of rectangular sheets, a piece of black chart paper. You can see we want this type of an oval shape, 2 ears like petal drops, 2 eyes, and 1 square rectangle and a big rectangle. So now let's begin how to make this. So for this, what ma'am is going to do, see, she's just going to fold a part of it. Fold it nicely and open it. Now what we are going to do is, we will start coloring horizontal lines. So make some horizontal lines like this. This is scribbling, and we all just love scribbling, isn't it? So scribble, scribble, scribble. See, these patterns are looking so nice and beautiful. See, these type of horizontal lines we have to draw. Now what? Now what ma'am is going to do? The folded portion, and now she is going to fold it like this into 2 equal halves. Stick it with the help of glue. Let's stick it with the help of glue. Now spread the glue and close it like this. Yes, it looks like a pocket. Now what we are going to add? We are going to add the mouth. So again, what we have to apply? Some glue. And the mouth will be ready. Yes. Now what ma'am is going to add? It helps you to see. Yes, the eyes. See how ma'am is applying the glue, and she will stick the eyes. Where to stick the eyes? You can stick the eyes over the mouth, just above it. Like this. Now ma'am is going to add the ears. So 2 little small ears. They look like the drop of petals. So ma'am has applied some glue, and she is just going to stick it. See from where she sticked it? Just inside the pocket. Again on the tip, like this. And now ma'am is cutting a piece of like this. She's just slitting it. What it will be? Do you have any idea? Yay! The mane of the zebra. And now little bit more details. So ma'am is again slitting. Why so? Let's see what ma'am is going to do with this piece. Yes. Okay. So it will give a hairy effect. Like this. And now, what is this? Do you have any idea? Zebra will say hello to you. So these are the hands. You can make these puppet and then use it for stories and for your play also. Now, Ma'am is going to add a big tail. Now see how the tail is added. It is added just like this. And our zebra is ready. See the zebra puppet? Oh wow! Isn't it cute? Now the zebra is going to say you thank you. See how it says thank you to you? Thank you everyone. Thank you. Now add a smile, some more stripes to the hands, and the zebra is ready. Thank you so much.